everyone, how are you doing? I hope everyone is doing fine. I'm also doing fine, but I have flu. Welcome to Vlogmas day 12. Thank you so much, you guys, for your love and support. I really appreciate. And if you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing, like the video, and turn on the post notification. So right now I'm going to shower and then I change. After that, I'm going to go to the kitchen and make dinner for the kids. For dinner, I'm going to make vegetable noodles. I'm not going to put a lot of things because it's for kids. The kids just want mushrooms and other vegetables, as you're going to see. But if you want, you can put chicken, you can put any vegetable of your choice. You can use any vegetable of your choice, but for me, I'm going to use what I'm going to use, as I'm going to show you in the video. So let me go freshen up. After that, we hit the kitchen and we make vegetable noodles for the kids for dinner. Thank you so much, you guys. See you in the kitchen.
Child, I know you're hurt and you can't let go. It's not your fault and you don't deserve all the bad and the hurt. I know you tried so hard. I know you've done your part. It's not fair. You did your time. How much longer will you suffer in this life? But don't give up. Just hold on tight. It'll be alright. Your life you've tried to be a good man inside. Did everything that you thought you should. Did it seem to do you any good? I know you've tried so hard. I know you've done your part. It's not fair. You did your time. How much longer will you suffer in this life? But don't give up. Just hold on tight. It'll be alright. So hard. I know you've done your part. It's not fair. You did your time. How much longer will you suffer in this life? But don't give up. Just hold on tight.
From my window, sun's coming up like the day before. You're like a stone on my pillow. I don't make a sound when I shut the door. You don't have to wake up yet. We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix baritone, Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on all the way baritone. Yeah. Shut the lights, go infrared. We can spend all day in bed. I get the wine and the corkscrew. You don't have to do one single thing. You don't know how much I want you. Just looking at you makes my whole world spin. You don't have to wake up yet. We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon, Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on all the way baritone.
Before I go to shower, I just want to end the video because I know after cooking I will not have time to end the video. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to try this recipe, you can go on and try it, and you would tell me in the comment section how was it. Was it okay? Was it nice? You guys, I have flu, that's why I talk like this. And you guys, for those of you who are watching, subscribing, commenting, thank you so much. But please, when you watch my videos, make sure you comment. Like, how do I have, like, let's say 50 views and only one comment? Please make sure when you watch the video, comment, like the video, so that YouTube can recommend this video to more people, to other people. Because if you interact in the comment section, YouTube knows that you're actually interested in that video, and then it is going to push it to other people so that I can get more views and I can earn from my hard work. You guys, I hope you understand. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. And Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. I love you so much. Bye guys.